Did you know that a mysterious hum can be heard in the quiet town of Taos, New Mexico? This odd sound, known as the Taos Hum, has perplexed residents and scientists alike for decades. It's described as a low-frequency vibration, yet only about 2% of the population can actually hear it. Locals have reported everything from insomnia to headaches, creating a strong demand for answers. While theories abound, from industrial sources to paranormal activity, the cause remains unsolved. So, what do you think is happening? Comment below with your thoughts, or share this video with friends to uncover more weird facts together.